Summer has not left us yet, and that means there's still room for ice cream. Today we keep with the trend of keto recipes, make a delicious chocolate ice cream made using avocado. For those of you who don't like avocado, don't worry. Can't taste it at all, and it helps give us that perfect ice cream texture. So let's just jump right into it. Start this one with either a food processor or blender. If you don't have either, I put a link to mine below. It's super cheap. Add into that 1 avocado. The riper it is, the better this recipe will come out. You can test your avocado for ripeness by just kind of pressing it. If it's somewhat soft, then you're good to go. This one I'm using today is not so ripe, as you can probably tell, but it's all I had, so we're gonna work with it. Cut it in half and use a spoon to dig it out. Next, add in 3 ounces of unsweetened coconut milk, 6 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of erythritol or your choice sweetener, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and to make your macros even better or change up the flavor, 1 scoop of protein powder. Throw your lid on, then process until smooth. Once smooth, take out something to pour your soon-to-be ice cream into, add in whatever you want, like some sugar-free chocolate chips, cover it, and freeze for a few hours. So there's your keto-friendly ice cream. Personally, I leave mine out for about 10 minutes before I'm gonna eat it. I find that it gives it an even better texture, or at least one that I like. Now for another giveaway, since someone finally won the last one. This time, let's do the same thing. What do you think is in this jar? 1 guess per person, and the winner gets a shaker bottle. Also, let me know what you're gonna add into your ice cream down below. I guess I should also mention my new keto-friendly brand, Better Cravings. I have a dessert and baking mix, as you can see right here, that is seriously delicious and made with great ingredients. It's only $15 shipped anywhere in the US right now. I'll put a link to it down below. It's my brand, made by me, no one else, so I appreciate any and all support. With that said, thank you for watching. Smack that thumbs up button if you like these keto recipes. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Follow me on social media, and of course, stay healthy.